I don't hate him. I just think he needs to stop whinging. You know what? I'm a youth worker. You wouldn't believe it hearing me say some of this stuff. Oh.
Ethan.
Oh.
Dex!
Oh, God, Redders!